Imagine this. You leave your house early. You've planned everything. You're on time, maybe even ahead of time. But somehow, yet again, you're stuck in traffic. Red lights, delays, roadblocks, a flat tire, an important meeting missed. The same pattern, again and again. And you wonder, why me? Why does this always happen to me? Now, before you shrug it off as mere bad luck or urban chaos, what if I told you this has less to do with the outside world and more to do with your inner world? What if your traffic jams are spiritual? This is not just metaphor. Today, you're going to discover the deep spiritual cause behind delays, chaos, and blockages in your life. And more importantly, you'll learn exactly how to clear them using a simple yet profound ancient practice, Hooponopono. By the end of this video, you will not only understand why your life feels stuck sometimes, but also how to break free and restore what we call divine flow. Stay with me till the end, because I'll guide you through a live Hooponopono clearing ritual you can use immediately, even when you're sitting in traffic. Let's begin with a surprising truth. According to MIT's Urban Mobility Lab, the average person spends more than 4 years of their life stuck in traffic. 4 years, wasted, frustrated, angry. But here's the real catch. Your outer world is simply reflecting your inner state. Traffic outside you is a mirror of traffic inside you. And this inner traffic, this congestion, is made up of unprocessed emotions, subconscious resistance, and outdated programming that you're carrying inside every single day. Let's take an example. Have you ever noticed how some days everything flows? You leave your home, green lights all the way. You get a parking spot effortlessly. People show up on time, the coffee's perfect, and you say, wow, today's a good day. And on other days, it's the opposite. Delays, missed calls, phone battery dies, argument with a stranger, traffic jams, chaos. But what actually changed? It wasn't the world. It was you, your frequency, your vibration, your subconscious state. Here's the science. Your brain emits frequencies. Your heart does too. Your subconscious mind operates on deeply ingrained patterns based on past memory, trauma, and belief systems. When you carry suppressed anger, fear, guilt, or resentment, especially the kind you're not even consciously aware of, your body enters a state of chaotic electromagnetic resonance. This chaos attracts more chaos. It blocks synchronicity. It blocks divine timing. It blocks flow. But Hooponopono can clear that. Let's go deeper. According to studies in neurocardiology, your heart has an electromagnetic field up to 60 times stronger than your brain's. This field interacts with the world around you. That means your inner resistance is literally sending out signals that shape your outer reality. So every time you're stuck in a jam, delayed in a queue, missing flights, meetings, and moments, consider this. Your subconscious mind might be orchestrating it. And this is exactly where Hooponopono steps in. Hooponopono is a Hawaiian spiritual practice rooted in one core truth. The problem is not out there, it's inside, and so is the solution. In one of our recent videos, we explored how the exhaustion you feel isn't always physical, it's energetic. We revealed how hidden emotional wounds and subconscious blocks silently drain your life force. If you haven't seen that video yet, I highly recommend watching it because today's insights will connect deeply with that understanding. Now, let's come back to traffic. You might ask, how can spiritual clearing affect something physical like traffic? Here's how. Everything in the universe is vibration, energy. And when your personal frequency becomes chaotic or burdened with emotional debris, it doesn't just stay inside you, it spills into your environment. You start radiating confusion, resistance, friction, and the universe responds with delays, glitches, roadblocks, not as punishment, but as a mirror, to show you what you're holding on to give you a moment to pause and clear. The next time you're in a traffic jam, do this instead of complaining. Take a deep breath, place your hand on your heart, and begin to silently chant the Hooponopono prayer. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Say it with sincerity. Direct it to your subconscious mind, to your resistance, to the part of you attracting the chaos. Because when you clear your field, you clear the field around you. You restore divine flow. And you'll be surprised. Traffic clears, calls go through, people become kind, doors open. Not because you changed them, but because you changed the energy you brought to the moment. Now let me share a story. One of our viewers shared that for years she always ran late. No matter how early she left, she would get stuck. Flights would delay, elevators would break down. She believed she was cursed with bad luck. But when she began practicing Hooponopono, every time a delay happened, her life transformed. She stopped resisting the moment. She began clearing the part of her that was attracting chaos. Within weeks, not only did her travel become smoother, she noticed she was more peaceful, more aligned, and even began receiving better opportunities at work. She wasn't clearing traffic, she was clearing herself. And this is what I want to leave you with. When life puts up a red light, pause, breathe, heal. Chaos is not the enemy, it's the messenger. Every delay, every jam, every missed appointment is a nudge from the divine, saying, something inside you wants to be seen. So the next time your world feels stuck, don't just push through. Don't just blame the outside. Sit in your car, smile, place your hand on your heart, and whisper, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You might just find that the world moves when you do. And remember, we're only just beginning. In the next part of this series, we'll explore how the people who delay us, frustrate us, or trigger us are actually mirrors of our inner wounds. You don't want to miss that one. If this video shifted something inside you, make sure you subscribe, like, and share it with someone who always seems to be stuck in traffic. Maybe, just maybe, it's not about the traffic at all. Let's clear, let's align, let's move in divine flow. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. Stay tuned.